Hello everyone and welcome on your daily question. Today, we're going to explore an intriguing hypothesis. What would happen if the wind stopped blowing for 24 hours? Get ready to discover the impacts on the sea, the land, and human civilization. Let's get started. What would be the impact on the sea? Imagine an ocean without wind, a calm and silent sea. But what would be the effects of this absence of wind on the turbulent waters? Let me describe it to you. Without the wind to stir the surface of the water, the waves would gradually disappear, creating a tranquil and smooth sea. Sailors would be enchanted by this tranquility, but it would also have profound consequences for marine life. Ocean currents, which are largely driven by the wind, would slow down significantly. The movements of fish and other marine creatures would be hindered, reducing their ability to feed and reproduce. Marine ecosystems would experience significant disruptions, jeopardizing marine biodiversity. The surface temperatures of the ocean would also be affected. Wind helps to mix the layers of water, redistributing heat and nutrients. Without this agitation, the surface waters would become warmer, while the deep waters would remain cold. This thermal stratification would have a negative impact on marine life and ecosystems. In summary, the cessation of wind for 24 hours would transform our oceans into a tranquil oil-like surface, disrupting currents, marine biodiversity, and ecosystems. Now, let's move on to the impact on land. Now, let's focus on the effects of the absence of wind on solid ground. Get ready to discover a world where the air no longer moves. Wind plays a crucial role in many aspects of our terrestrial environment. One of its main functions is seed dispersal. Plants that rely on the wind to spread their seeds would struggle to reproduce. This could lead to a decrease in plant diversity and impact terrestrial food chains. Terrestrial ecosystems are also closely tied to weather phenomena. Wind helps distribute moisture in the atmosphere, promoting cloud formation and precipitation. Without the wind to disperse moisture, some regions may experience decreased rainfall, while others would be subjected to torrential rains. This would result in imbalances in terrestrial and agricultural ecosystems, jeopardizing crops and food security. Furthermore, wind plays a significant role in the evaporation process, helping to regulate Earth's temperature. Without wind to transport heat from one place to another, regions would experience extreme heat and cold. Temperature differences between coastal areas and inland regions would be amplified, potentially impacting regional climates. In summary, the cessation of wind for 24 hours would disrupt seed dispersal, precipitation cycles, and thermal regulation, affecting terrestrial ecosystems and our global environment. Now, let's delve into the impact on human civilization. If the wind were to stop blowing for 24 hours, it would have a significant impact on our modern society. Let's now explore the consequences for human civilization. Wind is an essential renewable energy source. It is used to generate electricity through wind turbines. Without wind, wind energy production would be non-existent. This could lead to power outages. Air transportation would also be severely affected. Airplanes depend on wind for takeoff and landing safely. Without wind, air travel would be greatly disrupted, resulting in widespread flight delays and cancellations. Lastly, wind plays a crucial role in air quality. It helps disperse atmospheric pollutants, such as fine particles and harmful gases. In the absence of wind, these pollutants could accumulate, leading to deteriorating air quality and health issues for the population. In conclusion, the cessation of wind for 24 hours would have repercussions on wind energy production, air transportation, and air quality. Our modern society would face major challenges if such a situation were to occur. There you have it. We have explored the consequences of the wind stopping for 24 hours on the sea, the land, and human civilization. The impacts would be substantial, affecting many aspects of our environment and daily lives. We have seen how the sea would become calm and smooth, disrupting ocean currents and marine biodiversity. On land, seed dispersal would be compromised, precipitation cycles would be disrupted, and thermal regulation would be altered, affecting terrestrial ecosystems. For human civilization, the absence of wind would mean a lack of wind energy production, disruptions in air transportation, and deteriorating air quality. It is important to remember that this situation is hypothetical, as wind is a constant natural phenomenon. However, this exploration allows us to realize the importance of wind in our ecosystem and society. I hope this video has informed you about the consequences of the wind stopping for 24 hours. Remember to share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating weather content. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time for more exciting meteorological explorations. Take care, and may the wind always be with you.